Let's get some corn. Oh, there you go. This is the corn that I harvested today. So I got a total of 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16 corn cobs. Now, let's do the revealing now because I'm not confident that all the corn or all the kernels are pollinated. So let's do this one. Okay, this one feels kind of hard, which is it's a positive sign because it might be full of corn or kernels inside. Okay, so let's do the split.
Oh, the split. Maybe.
And my daughter's also here with me. Oh, look at that. Look. That's not too bad. For having almost a month without rain, this is actually really good. Bella, let me see yours. Come here. Let me see yours.
Mine are really bright.
This is my daughter's. Look at that. Oh, you got something in here.
Yeah. Hey, what's it next to you?
Okay.
Daddy, let's...
There's my daughter, Bella. She's called Bella the gardener. All right, so this is one.
Bye-bye, I'm not gardener.
Ya empezamos. All right, so be careful with that one, like this, Bella, from the top, like this.
Okay.
Like this. Let's go to number 2.
Oh.
Oh.
Dad, look at this. I got something.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Not too bad. We got a couple. This is a good size to put on a soup or something.
Yep, that's where it goes.
All right. Let's do the other one. Oh, this one looks nice.
That.
Decent.
These are mine.
Not bad.
Or this.
That's not bad at all.
Oh.
For sweet corn.
I know that's sweet. Dad, they're so tasty. Ooh, excuse me, Daddy.
There you go.
That's a cookie.
So tell the viewers, what is this?
So guys, these are the corns that I like.
That's the corn that you like?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't like the white because the white one is not the sweet. Because
All right,
the yellow.
let's open this one then. Ready?
I'll open this
Pull this one. Pull it towards you, like this. Hard, towards you. Hard, Bella. There you go.
It makes noises. So I got my corn, guys.
Oh, this one is nice. I think it's one of the best ones. Bella, be quiet. I'm recording.
Okay.
This is one of the best ones here. Look at that.
Crack it. You crack it. Ooh, that's my dad's.
Yeah.
It's mine.
Let's open this one.
I'm gonna open this one first.
Oh, this one is nice.
Hold ya. Open that one, Daddy.
Yeah, you can split it. Pull it like this.
Okay.
There you go.
So nice. Like it really look like a silly corn.
Oh, this one was not pollinated correctly. How can you tell? Oh, look, you have all these hairs. Some hairs are dried, the other ones are
Daddy,
still
look at
green.
mine.
So all of these kernels were not pollinated at all.
So guys,
But still, it's better than nothing.
Dad, I'm talking. So guys, Dad, there's an itchy bug.
That's okay.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is my corn my daddy made for the 6 years because this one is so sweet and nice.
Yeah, it's sweet, right? Sweet corn.
And then she picked it in the garden and then
And what is the corn used for?
to cook and then I make some popcorn.
And popcorn. Okay, there you go. I like it. All right, so let's see. Let's show them. Let's show the viewers now, Bella. How many corn cobs do we have? Can you show one by one? Start with the smallest ones. Start with the smaller ones.
So this one my daddy don't cook it because dad likes to eat it in the corn because we cannot cook it yet.
All right, show the next one. Show the next one. Don't tell stories now. Come on.
So this one is mine.
That one is good, right?
Yeah. This one is so mine and dad's and mom. And then I think these are my favorite things. So.
Okay, great. All right, guys. So look, we have this one, this one. I also used another one for soup. So.
These are for.
But this one has to be one of the best ones here. Look at